Hi, my name is Garrick, and I was assigned homework 2, problem 16.9. The figure below shows the wavefronts of a circular wave, so this. What is the phase difference between points A and B, and points C and D, and points E and F? This figure represents a circular wave where the circles are the wavefronts, so like these things are the wavefronts. And they're also the crests of a circular wave. So basically, try to imagine like a drop of water creating a ripple, and these are the crests in which the ripples reach their max height. So this figure here will help me explain how to find the phase difference. If you recall, a sine wave has a crest here. Well, they have multiple crests, but they have crests and troughs here, which are the highest point and lowest point on a wave, respectively. They also have a period, which is most easily indicated by the distance between two adjacent troughs or two adjacent crests. And it would equal to 2 pi, which represents one cycle of the wave. To visualize a sine wave as a circular wave, you would have to rotate the sine wave around the y-axis, and you look at it from above. So basically, like, if I had to draw it out, it would look kind of like this. Well, other side. No, either one's fine. But basically, it would look like this, a circle like this, indicated above here. To find the phase difference between 2 points, such as A and B, you would have to find out where they're located on a sine wave. And I already did that for you down here. A and B here are on the same crest. So the phase difference would actually be 0. For points C and D, they're located like 2 crests apart, and you can see it here on the sine wave, 2 crests apart, and that's 2 pi times 2, which equals to 4. For points E and F, it's kind of harder to visualize because E is actually on a trough, like down here on the sine wave, because it's not on a crest, and F is on a crest. So this distance here on the sine wave would be half times that of 2 pi of a period, half of a period basically, and that would equal to only 1 pi. What a lot of people get confused on is why A and B have a phase difference of 0. To draw it a little more clearly, A and B are located on the same crest like that. So like the same point in time on the sine wave. And that's all.